Hi viewers, in this video we are going to learn how to prepare manufacturing general in Tally ERP 9. For example, assembling. If you are dealing with a computer or any other product, in assembling the product, how means how the work is happen in manufacturing general. Let's see. Here we have Tally. Here shortcut vouchers. Here you can Alt F7 is shortcut key, otherwise general. Okay, otherwise from inventory. Okay, here manufacturing general, physical stock general, click this one, manufacturing general, select the manufacturing general. Okay, for example 10 computer we are going to assemble computer P4, so select computer P4, go down, from assembling go down, we are going to assemble this. Okay, but we are going to keep this in finish go down. Okay, quantity is 10. After assemble it finish go down. Batch third, new number, BATCH, batch 3. Okay, we have prepared computer. If we have any wages, we can put some wages also. The wages is, for example, 1000. Let's make some 15,000 wages, and overhead 1000. Okay, then for computer athlon, finish go down, quantity 10, it's 10 quantity, wages same, take 15,000, and overheads 1000. Don't take in percentage, take okay. If you want any narration, you can take it narration. Accept the screen. This is how manufacturing general, how the product is prepared, assembled. Each of the costs can be calculated. This is how each of the rate, each of the part rate is displayed, and it is total cost. So overall is 1,46,550, and effective rate is 14,656. So now we can sell it 15,000 change. Okay, okay. This is how we prepare manufacturing general in Tally ERP 9. Okay, if any good transfer from finished goods to any branch, the same we can do here. For example, vouchers, go to general, here inventory vouchers. Okay, transfer, go to stock general, select stock general, here is a transfer, go down, branch go down. If you want to transfer any goods from branch to branch, go down, destination select, branch go down. Here name of the product which you want to transfer, computer athlon, for example 5 computer athlon. So go down is a finish go down, quantity is a 5, rate is automatically displayed, amount also. So accept this one. If you want to change the date, you can change the date. Okay, this is how we transfer from one go down to means finish go down or head office to branch office. Okay.